Hi everyone, it's Clyde here. Today's video is all about 3 simple ways to help you save. The first simple way to help you save is set a target and make it non-negotiable. You see, one of the things that I always do with my clients when I sit down with them and we do a budgeting session is we set, whether it's a weekly target or a monthly target, but we set a target, we both agree on it, and we make it non-negotiable. And that target, might mean for the next month, I'm going to make sure that I have, or I'm going to save $100, or whatever that amount is. So when you set a target, your mind, your attitude, you start focusing on this target, and it will, you will definitely work towards putting that money aside come that end of the month or the week or whatever that time frame is. But if you don't set a target, then I can promise you it will be a challenge for you to save. So the first simple thing to do is to set a target and make it non-negotiable. The second thing that I suggest you to do when it comes to saving, or to help you when it comes to saving, is to start small. You see, again, one of the things when I sit with my clients, and we go through budgeting and cash flow, a lot of people think that they have to save a lot straight away, and especially if they've never if they've never saved in their life, or they find it hard, moving from one extreme to another is going to be very, very difficult for a lot of people. So what I suggest is to start small. Start small. It doesn't have to be a big amount, but it's that daily discipline that will help you immensely as time goes. So start small. It might be $20 a week. It might be $10 a week, or whatever that amount is. Skipping a coffee a day, or not going out and eating outside one day this week, or whatever it is. If you set that small target, I can promise you it will help in future, and it will help you with bigger things down the track as well. So that's the second idea. Second point is to start small. And finally, the third simple way, or the third idea to help you start saving, is to obviously watch your spending. One of the it is quite obvious, and it's not about just trying to add money or put money to the bank accounts. It's also to watch what you're regularly spending money on. And so if you can cut down your spending, it will definitely help. One of the things that I recommend, or I suggest to people is if you decide that this week I'm only going to spend $100, go to the bank and take $100 cash out, and that's the amount that you will spend for that week, and you won't. It doesn't want you. You don't have to go to the bank account, withdraw any more money or anything like that. You've got that $100, and that's all you're going to spend. And it prevents us from tapping and going and using our credit cards or using our F+ cards. If you just take that cash out and you say to yourself, "This is it. That's all I'm going to spend for this week." And if I've used it in the first night, on Friday night, then it means that I can't go out on Saturday or Sunday. And it keeps you disciplined, it keeps you focused, and it definitely helps with minimizing your expenses. So, simple, easy, simple ways to help you to help you save. Number 1 is set that target, make it non-negotiable. Number 2 is, start small. It doesn't have to be a huge amount. And finally, number 3 is to watch that spending. Take some money out of and take some money out of the ATM, and that's the amount that you're going to spend for that week, and that's it. Hope that helps. Hope you got something out of it. If you have any questions, please write them down below. We'd love to hear all your comments, and if you want future topics, please write them as well. And remember, I'm dedicated to helping you take actionable steps today for a better financial tomorrow. See you next week. Bye.